If you are building a website and considering Duda, stop right there because most people get it wrong. The surprising truth is that Duda isn't just another website builder. It's designed for agencies, freelancers, and small businesses who need responsive, fast-loading websites with client management tools built in. Duda offers drag-and-drop editing, pre-made templates, and multi-language support. You won't believe what happens next. Many users find that the client management tools and team collaboration features are what set Duda apart from other builders. You can create client accounts, assign roles, and even provide secure client previews for approval. Getting started is simple. Sign up, choose a template, and start customizing. The platform supports integrations with tools like Google Analytics, Shopify, and social media widgets, making it versatile for different business types. The upside includes responsive designs, strong SEO capabilities, and collaboration tools for teams and clients. Duda also offers hosting included in the subscription, so you don't need to worry about third-party hosting. The downside? It's more expensive than some other builders like Wix or Squarespace, especially for solo users. Some users also know that the editor can be slightly less intuitive than simpler builders, and customization options, while powerful, may require a learning curve. The surprising truth is that Duda is ideal if you are managing multiple client websites or need a highly professional, responsive site without coding. It's less about hobby websites and more about serious business or agency projects. If this honest review helped you understand Duda, subscribe for more website builder reviews and tips to make your site professional and effective.